And I hope you can hear me through the noise. Through all the noise and the alarm that's happening. But as in my post yesterday, we begin the first test. When I'm here working out 0520 or 0515, I'm beginning the first test. I'm beginning the first test of the day. Putting myself through the first test of the day. Like, that's the difference. The big difference is, so this is what it is. We begin the first test before life begins to test us. Because every day is going to be a new test. Every day is going to be a new battle. But you must be able to push through. And how do you combat? You can't combat adversity, as I said yesterday, if you're not going through adversity yourself. So we begin the first test. It's not rocket science. Put yourself through it. Put your body through it. Eventually you'll get there. Eventually you'll get to the place that you need to be. But for the most part, understand that you must begin the first test. You must begin the first test. Put yourself through the hardship early. Once you push yourself through the hardship, you'll get it. You'll understand. You'll be better. But you must begin to test yourself before life tests you. Because if life tests you and you're not prepared, you will fall on your ass over and over and over again. You must begin the first test to remain strong and to remain steadfast and to have a firm foundation. Understand this, guys. Keep going.